The following video will go over the contents of the tech sheet and how they are generated. The tech sheet begins with the patient biographical information, which comes from the BMD software. The menopause age comes from the DEXIDesk questionnaire above, if the age was input. BMD facility name will be your reporting facility. The diagnostic category is automatically determined based on the exams sent to DEXIDesk from your BMD software. Fracture risk is also automatically determined by DEXIDesk and is based on the exams sent to DEXIDesk as well as the questions that were answered in the questionnaire section above. Note that in the above interface, if you indicate that the fractures or steroid information may be incomplete, an asterisk appears with a note below indicating that the fracture risk assessment may be invalid due to incomplete fracture and steroid information. Similarly, if the patient is on bone-active drug therapy, a note will appear in the report indicating risk may be lower than calculated if osteoporosis drug therapy is effective. A section will also appear providing information on the history used for the risk determination. The BMD data section will list all the sites of the exams that were sent to PACS. In this example, we see spine and right femur. However, if a forearm, total body, or the left femur were also scanned and sent to PACS, additional regions would also appear here in this section. Further below, it will also indicate the diagnostic category used for the reference database, as well as the reference used for the fracture category. In cases where you have a follow-up exam, the changes in patient demographics will also be listed. It will help flag a change in height greater than 2 centimeters in the last 3 years or less, or if there has been a weight change greater than 10% during the period of monitoring. Again, for a follow-up patient, a section Changes in Density will also appear in the tech sheet. Because the spine L1 to L4 region was chosen, it will indicate the result from today, the result from the previous exam, the exam closest to treatment start date, as well as the baseline exam. The columns that come after will indicate the BMD changes in grams per centimeter squared, grams per centimeter squared per year, percent per year, if the change was significant, and what the LSC is for the region. Additional information is also provided on the reference database, the study limitations, major risk factors, as well as the DEXA manufacturer, model, and serial number. Typically, the tech sheet will be sent to PACS to serve as a record of how the BMD report content was generated.